I'm going to show you guys two different variations of the motion we call Vili Autafa, or spin on the side. So this is one of the basic motions, and as you can see, I am spinning it on the outside of my body, okay? These are all double rotations. I'm throwing it in slow motion right here, just so you can see, all double rotations. And I'm throwing it towards the outside of my body, all right? Nice basic motion. And now I'm going to show you the second variation. Looks just like this. Yeah, these are all single spins right here. Now I'm going to do double spins. Yeah, these are all double spins. Now the difference here, as you can see, I'm throwing it towards the inside of my body, all right? So I'm going to do it on the side profile view. Yeah, and I'm going to slow it down for you guys. These are single spins. These are all double spins. Yeah, double rotations right over here. This is what it looks like. Nice and easy. So easy a caveman can do it. But hey, don't forget to hit that follow, share, like, subscribe, all the things.